Hi everyone, I am back on the Money Affair channel after quite a long time. So today I'm gonna be talking about the best stocks which I feel which can be good to trade from the recent IPOs of the past 6 months. And by the IPOs, I'm here talking about the NSE IPOs. So I've downloaded the list of the NSE IPOs from the NSE website in the past 6 months, reviewed all the IPOs that have been released during the past 6 months, and filtered out the best which I feel can be traded to make return. So there are three stocks I'm gonna take you through one by one. The very first one is Advanced Agro Life Limited, and in this one, if we say about the IPO got released on 8th of October, the opening price was around you can say 114, and since then it has been 3 months. And if we talk about the direction wherein the stock is moving, it's just at around the opening levels but a little above that. So if you will see that, if I'm let me go to the monthly chart as well. If you will see a big monthly candle for the October month and then a decline. December tried to fall, but yep, got closed around the open levels, got a good recovery, and now this is the January momentum currently happening. So what I feel in this stock is currently, let me take you back to the daily chart. If you will see over here, the major bump, or you can say the major increase, came on 24th of October 2025, Friday. And if we see that the fall of the stock afterwards, the stock fall below this levels, which is this 121 or 20, and by these levels I may be a little 1 or 2 rupees above or down. I'm not talking on the very exact figures as of now for this video because I'm starting after quite some time. So, and if you will see over here, the stock fall below these levels and even try to fill the gap of these two dates, which is this 20th October and 21st October, which is the gap ups, and try to fill these gaps and then try to go back again into this range, which is this of 24th October range, but failed on 16th of December. You will see this big red candle on 16th of December, wherein it fall around 4.96%. You can see it over here, like you see. Let me go back again. This is 16th of December. You can see the stock fell around 4.96%. So that's why, and you will see that it's still tried again one more attempt on 23rd of December and still hovering around those levels. So it's a bit that it may not fall too much from here and may consolidate and then go again up towards these levels. You can say at least around 130 plus levels, which are these 135, 132, 135 range, could be a good. So depends upon like what enterprise do anyone gets in these kind of stocks. So this is the pretty much. And if I talk about the risk management for this one, like it will be pretty much around the low of these areas, which is around 112, 110 areas. That pretty much I can say will be a lot risky. If it breaks clearly these levels, then it can go to at least 100 and even a little more. Not sure. But talking about the fundamental aspect as well, I have reviewed these fundamentals. So for the fundamentals, I want to tell you that you can go a little over here below and see the financials over here as well. If you click on more financials, it will take you to the detailed financial page section in the trading view itself. Although there are the websites through which we can review these fundamentals. One of these is Market Smith, which I currently refer as well. One is also through the Zeroda platform. I'm not recalling the name of the financials, which I don't use much. The financial platform for the Zeroda. So, but it's I've heard it's good. You can use that one as well. So I will try to explore it in the upcoming videos. So that's the first one. And talking about the next one, Vidya Wires Limited. This is pretty much, you can say, in company involved in copper mining and copper related business. So if you will see over here, the pretty much what happened on the daily chart is this is very recent IPO. The activity only happened in the past 20 days, and you will see that the stock is currently trading below the IPO levels, which is this 52. So it's around 50, and if we see that it's a decline of 2 rupees only, but if you will calculate it in a percentage terms, maybe it will turn around to around 4 to 5% fall from the IPO levels. So I think the percentage matters more, so that's why we should be cautious of that. So talking about this one, so there is not much data, so can't take a big bet or give a lot assurance. I am also not too confident on this one, but could be a good bet. But because stock tried to fall from the opening levels as well, you will see the activity which happened around 15th, 16th, or the 17th of December. All the lows pretty much the same, around 48 or 49 levels, and then it went up again from those levels, and it's again near to those, but still trying to go up, because you will see in the recent past 1 or 2 days, which is the 1st January, the 2nd January session, stock tried to go down, but yep, at the end it sustained and closed a little above. So that's a little small bet on this one, which I think can be taken. The last one is around FibTech. So for this one, like, we do see on the daily chart, the stock opened in the IPO around 7th of October. Similarly, like 3 months of data we do have for this one as well. And if we see that it's a one to from 190 levels, it's like around stock hovered around those levels. There was this gap. So what my same thinking on this one is the previous one as well. Like it's coming down to like fill this gap a bit. So there's some more price action that is yet to happen in this one, so it may be too early to enter or comment upon this one to for a particular perfect setup. So I think like if a little bit price action more happens and then this gap gets filled, and then it could be a good entry point to take it over here. The financials are good for all these three, from like the revenue and the profitability standpoint as well. So yeah, that's pretty much from my side. So these are the three stocks. I'm just scrolling again so you can note it for the easy referencing. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.